This is Captain Keith in MarineMax Clearwater. I'd like to take a few moments to walk you through a beautiful Boston Whaler 17 Montauk that we just took in on trade here in Clearwater. This is a 2019, the 90 horsepower Mercury outboard. This boat also comes with a full mooring cover, nice teak swim platform come through. This has the aft bench seat, turns into a big sun pad. So you walk through, if you bear with me here a second, we'll flip this up. Sorry about that. That'll go all the way back. And we've got storage. And here, of course, the live well, which can also be used for storage. Reversible helm seat. That'll lock back. The helm comes with a Garmin unit, Fusion stereo, Bluetooth. Inside the helm, there's your battery switch, batteries, more storage area. Got a cooler up here on the bow. Cushions up here. Storage. In here as well. This is for the backrest. Go over top of the rod holders. And then your anchor locker is forward under this. So I mean, this boat's immaculate. Get this out of your way. Sea deck, like I was saying. The helm, stainless steel bimini. What's not to love about this boat? Thanks for your time.